piece of automotive history with the 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Eleanor, a car that has been immortalized on the big screen and remains one of the most sought-after muscle cars of all time. With its limited production and high demand, this car is a rare find that appreciates in value year after year. A legend sculpted in raw power, draped in timeless aggression. The 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Eleanor isn't just a muscle car. It's an icon that redefines automotive passion. A machine born from pure performance, rebellious spirit, and Hollywood stardom. This beast continues to captivate gearheads worldwide. If you appreciate raw horsepower fused with iconic design, join our community and immerse yourself in the legacy of one of the greatest Mustangs ever built. This isn't just any Mustang, it's Eleanor, a name immortalized on the big screen. Yet its roots trace back to Carroll Shelby's vision of an untamed, high-performance pony car. The 1965 Shelby GT500 was crafted with the singular goal of dominating the streets and the track. Unlike the standard Mustang Fastback, this creation was equipped with a monstrous 427 cubic inch V8, pushing well beyond 500 horsepower, making it one of the most fearsome muscle cars of its era. The unmistakable exterior demands attention with its aggressive racing stripes, sculpted hood scoops, side exit exhausts, and flared fenders, all elements designed for both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The Fastback profile enhances its sleek aerodynamic stance, while the deep dish wheels and lowered suspension contribute to its formidable presence. Whether parked or in motion, Eleanor exudes pure muscle and unmatched attitude. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect blend of race-inspired function and vintage charm. Classic wood-rimmed steering, bucket seats with racing harnesses, and a custom gauge cluster ensure the driver remains in full control. Stripped of unnecessary luxuries, the cabin was built for one thing: performance. The raw mechanical feel, combined with the deep growl of the V8, makes every drive an adrenaline-charged experience. Over the decades, Eleanor has been reimagined, with modernized builds fetching staggering prices in auctions. Officially licensed recreations of the GT500 Eleanor continue to command six-figure sums, depending on specifications and authenticity. With limited production and high demand, finding an original or licensed build is a rare feat. But those who do secure one own a piece of automotive history that appreciates in value year after year. The 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Eleanor isn't just a car, it's an experience. A statement, a legacy that refuses to fade. What makes Eleanor so special? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more legendary automotive content.